Ko ia te kai hou o te wā pā uua i te tinana o te tangata me te aha hei tā tētahi kai whakangungu Māori nā te Isagenix i ngahoro ai te mōmona i ona hope o tira i ora ia i te mate. Kia te huri ake tātou ki te pūrongo, Raniera Harrison.
E hiko e ngātahi ana me te rauemi pūmua rongonui rawa o te wā.
It's about lifestyle. If people aren't prepared to look at a health guy as a lifestyle instead of a quick fix, you're just basically going to let yourself down.
Ko tere rawa nei te pikinga mai o te rongonui i wānga i a ngai Māori, a he tere whakaheke i te momona tōna ito. Ka mutu e kore e taia te karo i ona paenga, heoi mō Selwyn Clark o Ngāti Kahu, ko ia hoki tētahi i te huarahi o pupuhi tinana. E haere ana.
I come from a family that work hard, eat hard. So we used to eat 3 types of meats. We have all the bread, all the fried bread, everything that you can imagine on a typical Māori family table. But now our whole lifestyle and our whole family is now changing, even my kids now. Let's go, 1.
He kai whakangungu a Clark I tētahi o ngā whare korikori nui rawa o tāmaki makaurau, a e hare te mea kua au katoa. Tōna haere.
We set this dream to build this gym and we accomplished it, and for me that was massive. But just over time, at the time of the climate, of the financial climate at that time, we struggled a little bit, and I guess we took quite a heavy blow in business.
Nā wairai tuki mai a Isagenix. Ki aia?
How I found out about it was through one of my clients. I didn't see him for about a month or 2. When I did bump into him again later on, I almost didn't recognise the guy.
No reire I ruku hoho nui a kia kitea o na paenga.
It's about a 30-day program that helps cleanse the body, puts all the right nutrition in the body, but then coming onto a maintenance style program where obviously you'll be coached and mentored through that as well.
Me te hia rau ngā tāngata kua heke I te momona. I aia.
I've seen about 500 people now use this product just in my own circle and do so well. And it's awesome to be able to refer a product that works and that's healthy for people. It's about, you're talking about healthy lifestyle change.
Kia ora anō hoki ko tōna whānau I te tuatahi.
The worst result I've had was 7 kilos in a month, which was actually my wife, and because my wife is a PT as well, she's already in good shape, but she still lost a lot of weight. And right to the other end of the spectrum, I have a guy in Sydney that I've been mentoring through the program, and he lost 18 kilos, and then did the program once again and went on to lose a further 12.
Ai e mea nā Clark e tapu ke ana a Isagenix mo te hunga kai haka e whakapokoko nei a rātau mo ngā whakataetai āmotu. E te rekainamu mai nei.
I believe it'd be an amazing product for guys to have that look up there, because I know what you mean. You see they rip their shirts off, and we want to look the part, and we want to look lean, we want to look, but be up there and be healthy and have energy instead of just being up there jumping around and actually being burnt out of energy.
Engari tērā tonu. Te hunga whakahe.
They say, oh, it costs this, it costs that. They talk about price, they talk about all sorts of different excuses and different things about it, but at the end of the day, my belief is what sells it.
E pūmau tonu ana tēnei ringa meke, ki te kai whakaora.
It really has changed my life. I've been very sceptical with these types of things as a trainer, and there's still a lot of people that are sceptical about these sorts of things. But because I've experienced the benefits of it and how I feel and how my wife feels and how my mum and dad feel, for me, to be honest, it's a no-brainer.
Nā te kitenga mai, o ana hua.
We've now been able to stand back up, and so that for me is where it counts. We are going to face challenges along the way, but it's about getting back up again.
E puta ai ko ia ki te ora, I tōna ao. Raniera Harrison, mo te karere.